Alena Mays is an American YouTuber and social media personality. She was born on 3 September 1985. She was born in a well-settled family from United States. Alena and Joe met in high school. Joseph was born in Maryland, but life took them in different directions. Her husband Joey Lee on the family-oriented multicultural media YouTube channel Mazelee. The couple would use their space to discuss dynamics of a blended Black and Korean family, expressing the ups and downs through blogs. With experience as an accomplished photojournalist and director of photography, it's a no-brainer that Joey is the artistic director behind Mazelee Productions. She began working as a mathematical statistician for the US federal government in 2010. She had 4 children before her relationship with Joey. They would raise 7 children together, including Alena's 4 from a previous marriage in the Washington, D.C. area. At the beginning of her career, she focused mainly on hairstyle, food, and making vlogs of herself and the children. Another element that contributes to the high ratings of this channel is the fact that the family does not try to show a perfectly harmonious life in which there are no setbacks and tensions that are normal even in less demanding households. However, her career as a YouTuber flourished when she started the channel Mazelee together with her husband Joey Lee. Alena and Joey met back in high school. Joseph was born in Maryland, but life took them in different directions. However, they maintained a friendly relationship during that period, which almost a decade later became crowned by marriage and 3 children. They share with their audience almost all aspects of their life, such as simple and common every morning routine in the family of 7 children, family gatherings, an unusual train journey through the US, or moving to a new house in California. All the details about their life are spiced with a slight tone of humor, presenting the family as enjoying every moment they spend together. Every YouTuber knows that having your life on display and open to the public can sometimes be a two-way street. There are a lot of trolls on the internet who do not hesitate to share their opinion and criticize Alena as a mother and her didactic skills. Alena is known to profess a spiritual outlook and journey. She often cites Bible verses and shares how they affect her mental state and upbringing. However, everything fell into place when their first baby was born, and both families quickly learned and accepted that opening up to others and different people is something that enriches and represents an advantage and not an obstacle. This couple proves that what seems to be a difference could be turned into an enjoyable diversity and advantage.